Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by making sure your device and permissions are ready. Install Panda Mouse Pro and grant input and accessibility access so the app can modify pointer behavior. Next, pair or connect your mouse, check battery and firmware so you avoid interruptions. Open the app and accept onboarding prompts. Choose the basic profile to load default settings. Once done, you can run the initial calibration sequence the app prompts. This sets cursor smoothing and tracking baselines for accurate adjustments. Now you'll refine how the pointer feels and responds. Move the DPI and sensitivity sliders while testing on the sample area so you see immediate feedback. This is how you dial in speed versus precision. Then adjust acceleration, smoothing, and angle snapping. Use presets to save time, or build a custom profile when you need specific behavior. Finally, map buttons and gestures. Assign macros or shortcuts and attach them to the profile you're using. Make small changes, test between tweaks, and lock in what feels natural. Finish by saving your profile and enabling cloud sync or exporting the settings so you don't lose your work. Test the profile across different apps and games to ensure consistent behavior and create activity-specific profiles if needed. If something goes wrong, like cursor stutter or unresponsive buttons, restart the app first, then reconnect the device and check for firmware updates. If problems persist, reset the profile to defaults and reapply your changes. That usually clears corrupted settings and gets you back to smooth control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.